This is the length of the curved line. The topic of length is over. We are seeing what is length, unit of length, subunit, corrective measurement, measuring the length of the pin and measuring the curved line. Now we are going to see about what is mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. What is mass? Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Weight is the gravitational pull experienced by the matter. The mass and weight are not same. Okay, they are different. What is mass? It's a measure of the amount of matter in an object. The weight is the gravitational pull experienced by the matter. Heaviness. Take a sheet of paper in one hand, book in other hand. Which hand feels heavy? Yeah, yes, the book is heavy because the book has more mass than the single sheet of paper. So our hand gives more force to hold a book. What we experience, this is the heaviness. Unit of mass. The unit of mass is kilogram. It is represented by the symbol kg. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram. It is represented by the symbol kg. The length have some subunits. They are millimeter, centimeter, kilometer. Same, the mass has some subunits. These are milligram, gram, ton and metric ton. Smaller weights are measured in milligram and gram. Larger mass are measured in ton or metric ton. Do you know the weight is directly proportional to the mass on Earth's surface? The weight is directly proportional to the mass on Earth's surface. On moon, where the gravitational force is lesser than Earth, the weight will reduce but the mass will remain same, because we already seen what is length. Length is the gravitational weight is gravitational pull experienced by the matter. So on moon, where the gravitational force is less, so the weight will reduce but the mass will remain same. The moon is gravitational pull 1/6 of the earth pull. The object weighs 6 times lighter on the moon than on the earth. For example, your weight is 60 kg in earth, but in moon your weight is only 10 kg. Okay. Beam balance. Beam balance used to measure the mass. Beam balance works by comparing the mass of an object to that of known as mass. This is the standard mass. We use the beam balance to measure the mass. This is the image of beam balance. Electronic balance. An electronic balance is a device used to find accurate measurement of weight. Electronic balance is a device used to find accurate measurement of weight. It is used very commonly in laboratory for weighing chemicals, also used weighing food, grocery item as well as jewelry stuff. They are all using electronic balance. This is the image of electronic balance. What is mass? The mass is the amount of matter in an object. Weight, it is a gravitational pull experienced by matter. What is the unit of mass? Yeah, yes, kilogram. It represented by kg. What are the subunits of mass? They are gram, milligram, ton, metric ton. The smaller mass can be measured in gram and milligram. The larger weights are measured in ton or metric ton. What are the instruments used to measure the mass? Beam balance and electronic balance. Nowadays we are using electronic balance only. Now we go for time. Time is ongoing sequence of events taking place. We are already know that the day changes into night, night changes into time, the season also changes. These are all the time passes. How to measure the time? What is the instrument used to measure the time? The clocks are used to measure the time. Time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. The basic unit of time is the second. The basic unit is second. Okay. The subunits have minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years also units of time. But the standard unit of time is second. The subunits of time is minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years. What is the SI unit? We are already seen that length, mass and time. What is the unit of length? Meter. Unit of mass? Kilogram. Unit of time? Second. These are the standard unit. In earlier days, scientists they are using own system of units. In later they are planned to follow the uniform system of measurement. That uniform system is called SI units. This is International System of Unit. The sake of uniformity, scientists all over the world have adopted a common set of units measurement. This system is called the International System of Units or SI units. The SI units for length is meter, mass for kilogram, time is second. Okay. In earlier days, people use sand clock or water clock. We take a vessel or bottle with a hole, fill it with water or sand. It time taken for drain the water or sand. It also to be measurement of the time. This is the image of sand clock. Okay. Write down your homework. Conversion of 1 kilometer is equal to dash centimeter. 100 centimeters equal to dash millimeter. 500 meters equal to dash kilometer. Then do the table, page number 6. Write down the units and its subunits. Do the activity 3 is same as the activity number 2. Find the length of the banana. Okay. Thank you. Dear students, note it your homework and try to complete it daily. It will be checked after reopening. We will see on next class. Thank you.